Hey everyone, welcome back to AppInsight AI. I'm Amelia, and in today's video, we're diving into 7 free MidJourney alternatives for AI image creation in 2025. Let's get started. AI image generators are the future of content creation, especially with powerful tools like MidJourney. The only problem? The best ones can be pretty expensive. But don't worry, I've done the research and found 7 amazing MidJourney alternatives that are totally free to use. In this video, I'm going to walk you through each one, explaining how they work, what I like about them, and how you can start using them yourself. Let's start with number 7, Craiyon AI. Craiyon AI is perfect for anyone who needs to create content quickly and without the hassle. The best part? It's completely free. You don't need to sign up or log in. You can start generating images right away. The platform is super simple to use, making it a great option for beginners. All you have to do is enter your prompt, choose your preferred style, and you're good to go. When you open crayon.com, you'll notice a clean and easy-to-use interface. Now, let's type in the prompt, City of Rome. Within seconds, you'll see a variety of related images displayed below, showcasing how simple and quick it is to create AI-generated art with this tool. Now, since it's free, you will see a few ads on the site, but that's a small trade-off for getting a powerful tool at no cost. Let me show you exactly how Craiyon works. For example, let's say I want to create an image with the prompt, a Viking standing aboard his warship, surrounded by the vast expanse of the sea. After entering the prompt, I can choose the style I want, whether that's auto, photo, drawing, or vector. For this example, I'll go with auto and leave out any negative prompts. Once I click draw, Craiyon will take about 60 seconds to generate the image and give me 9 different options to choose from. What I really love about Craiyon is that it doesn't just create one image, it generates 9 at once. This is great because you get multiple options to pick from, so you don't have to keep trying over and over. If you see one you like, you can easily upscale it to improve the quality, since the images might not be super sharp at first. You can also remove the background if you want, and if you're feeling creative, you can even put the images on products like t-shirts or other merch. As for the overall quality, the images aren't the highest resolution, but they're still pretty decent for quick use. When it comes to performance though, I'd give it a solid 9 out of 10. It's fast, it's free, and it generates 9 images in under a minute. Plus, the fact that you don't need to sign up or log in makes it incredibly convenient. Getting 9 images at once is definitely a big plus. So overall, Craiyon AI is a great choice if you want a fast, free, and easy way to generate images. The quality may not be top-notch, but it's quick, it's free, and it's incredibly user-friendly, especially if you're just getting started with AI image creation. Coming in at number 6, we have getimg.ai, and this tool is pretty awesome. It's a bit different from the previous one, offering higher quality results with more options to customize your creations. When you log in to getimg.ai, you'll see a user-friendly interface that's easy to navigate. The platform provides 100 free credits when you sign up using your email, allowing you to create stunning AI-generated images right away. Within the interface, you'll notice 2 primary sections for creating images, Essential and SD. Starting with Essential, there are 3 options available for generating images: Flux.1 Dev, Flux.1 Schnell, and getimg.ai itself. Among these, Flux.1 Dev offers the best quality, making it the go-to choice for most users. Let's proceed with that. Now, moving on to the SD, Stable Diffusion section, you'll find a variety of model types, such as Realvice XL, V4.0, and Juggernaut XLX. If you click on More, you'll unlock even more categories, including general art, photorealism, styles, anime, design, dream booth, and favorites. In total, getimg AI gives you access to over 80 AI models, offering endless possibilities for customization and creativity. For this demonstration, we'll stick with Essential and use the Flux.1 Dev model. Let's enter a prompt into the input box. One standout feature here is the option to upload an image, allowing you to generate specific types of results based on the uploaded picture. For example, if I upload an image, the platform will generate prompts related to it. However, for this demonstration, I'll stick to using a prompt. I'm pasting the following prompt: a golden retriever standing on top of a mountain of gold. Once that's done, you'll notice the option to adjust the aspect ratio. By default, it's set to 1:1, but you can switch to other ratios like 7:4 for a more horizontal layout. For now, I'll keep it at 1:1. Another fantastic feature is the ability to choose how many images to generate in one go. This gives you control over how many credits you use per batch. I'll set it to create 4 images. Once everything is ready, I simply hit generate, and within just 10 to 15 seconds, the results are ready. And here are the images. Not only did I get a beautiful golden retriever, but some results even included 2 dogs in a single image, making the process exciting and versatile. If you like what you've created, you can download the image or even tweak it to make something similar. You also have the option to turn your images into videos, which is a fantastic bonus feature. As for my rating, I'd give getimg.ai a 6 for image quality. It's definitely an improvement over the previous tool, but there's still room for growth. However, when it comes to performance, this one really shines. It's incredibly easy to use, the image generation is super fast, and the free plan gives you 100 credits, enough to create 100 images without spending a dime. Now let's move at number 5. We have a tool you might already know about, Runway AI. But this isn't just another image generator, it's much more versatile. With Runway AI, you can create full videos, work with generative audio, sync lips to audio, and even remove backgrounds. It's like a Swiss Army knife for creative tools. However, for this demo, we're focusing specifically on its text-to-image feature. Let me show you how it works. When you sign up for Runway AI, you'll get 100 125 free credits to use. Each image generation costs about 5 credits, so you can experiment quite a bit before needing to upgrade. Here's how it works. I've got a prompt ready, a mason jar containing the scene of a quaint village, with bolts of lightning flashing within, creating an electrifying atmosphere in an epic art style. Sounds intriguing, right? Let's see what Runway AI does with it. First, you can choose from a variety of styles to customize your output. There's a decent selection, and for this prompt, I'm going to pick the sci-fi art style. Next, you can set the resolution. For free users, you're limited to 720p, but if you want higher resolutions like 2K, you'll need to upgrade. You can also tweak the aspect ratio to fit your needs. Once everything is set, hit generate and let the magic happen. In just a few moments, my results are ready. And wow, this is exactly what I was envisioning. The mason jar looks incredible, with the village inside and lightning flashing across the scene. It's a perfect fit for the epic art style. If you're happy with your creation, you can download it directly or open it in Runway AI for further editing. From there, you can animate your image, expand it, or even use their infinite image feature. There are so many creative options packed into this tool, which makes it stand out. That said, there are a couple of areas where I think Runway AI could improve. For one, the cost of 5 credits per image feels a bit steep, especially if you're trying to generate multiple images. Also, while the style options are nice, they're a bit limited. It'd be great to see more variety and some advanced models added to the lineup. Overall, though, Runway AI is a solid tool with tons of features, and that's why it earns its spot at number 5. In terms of performance, I'd give it a 6. It's easy to use and offers a lot of creative potential, but the pricing and limited styles hold it back a little. At number 4, we have an intriguing and truly unique AI image generator called Krea AI. When I first came across this tool, I was genuinely surprised by how it works and the level of customization it offers. Let me show you exactly how this one stands out. To get started, you'll need to sign up or log in before generating images. Once you're set up, you can begin creating. Let's use the prompt: a jar brimming with sunflowers. With Krea AI, you can dive into a wide range of creative options and really experiment with your designs. One of the standout features of Krea AI is real-time image generation. As you adjust elements on the screen like moving objects left or right, you'll see the image update instantly. This real-time responsiveness makes it incredibly satisfying and fun to use. You also have control over the AI strength, which affects how detailed or abstract your image becomes. For instance, reducing the AI strength might simplify the design, while increasing it adds more detail. However, if you max it out, the tool may not work as intended, so finding the right balance is key. The tool also lets you explore different concepts and models, providing a ton of variety. You can adjust the aspect ratio to fit your needs, making it easy to create images in specific formats. One of the coolest features is the ability to draw directly within the platform. For example, if you sketch something, Krea AI will transform it into a finished image based on your input. Of course, your results depend on the AI strength settings, so it's worth experimenting to get the outcome you're looking for. However, there's a limit to how much you can do each day. With Krea AI, you're given 900 image generations per day, which might sound like a lot, but there's a catch. Every adjustment you make, whether it's moving an object, tweaking settings, or regenerating an image, counts as one generation. This means you could quickly run through your credits if you're not careful. My advice? Plan your work and use your credits wisely to make the most of the free version. Now let's talk about how Krea AI performs. In terms of image quality, I'd give it a 7. The output is visually impressive, and the customization options make it stand out from other tools. For performance, I'd rate it an 8 because of how quickly and smoothly it generates images in real time. That responsiveness really enhances the overall experience. The only downside is the credit system, which can feel restrictive if you're experimenting a lot. Overall, Krea AI is a powerful and creative tool for generating unique images. Its real-time updates and customization features make it a lot of fun to use, and with a bit of practice, you can create some amazing visuals. And that wraps up number 4. Let's move on to number 3. At number 3, we have NightCafe, a tool that's on par with the previous one, Krea AI, because of how impressive it is. Let me walk you through how this works and why it deserves this spot. First, you start by entering your prompt. For example, let's use a custom description and then choose the style we want. NightCafe offers several style options, including cinematic, realistic, and anime, among others. For this demo, I'll go with the NightCafe style. Once you've set that, your image will start generating, and the results are fantastic. Now, NightCafe also lets you change the model being used to generate your image. Currently, I'm using Dreamshaper XL Lightning, but there are plenty of other options to choose from. If you're familiar with AI image generation, you've probably heard of models like Stable Diffusion, Dreamshaper, or dall E3, and all of these are available here. Each model has its own strengths, so you can choose based on what you're looking to create. Here's the part you need to watch out for: using NightCafe cost credits. When you sign up, you'll get about 5 free credits to start with. For example, the image I just generated cost me half a credit, which is pretty reasonable. However, some models, like dall E3, offer limited free generations before requiring additional credits. If you switch to Stable Diffusion Core, generating a single image can cost 4 credits, making it a more expensive option. Despite this, the quality of images you can create is incredibly high, especially if you're skilled at crafting effective prompts. If you're new to generating prompts or want inspiration, NightCafe makes it easy to learn. Simply check out the top monthly images created by other users. These standout images come with detailed settings and prompts, so you can see exactly how they were made. This is a great way to pick up some skills in prompt engineering and improve your own results. results. As for my ratings, I'd give NightCafe an 8 for quality because the images it produces are consistently stunning, especially with the right prompts. For performance, I'd rate it a 7.5. The tool runs smoothly and offers incredible customization, but the credit system can be a bit limiting if you're experimenting a lot. Overall, NightCafe is an excellent choice for anyone serious about creating high-quality AI-generated images. Its versatility, coupled with the ability to explore different models and styles, makes it a standout option. At number 2, we have Leonardo AI, which is a real MidJourney alternative and an absolute powerhouse when it comes to AI image generation. Many of you might already be familiar with it, and there's a good reason why it takes the second spot on this list. It's simply fantastic. Let me show you exactly how it works and why it's so highly regarded. When you access the image generation section, you'll find a wide selection of models to choose from. These include both Leonardo AI's own models and those created by the community. You can pick any model that fits your needs or preferences. For example, some of the most popular models are Leonardo Anime XL and Leonardo Lighting XL. These models are perfect for creating highly tailored images. Now let me demonstrate the process. I'll use the prompt an underwater landscape for this example. One of the standout features of Leonardo AI is the level of customization it offers. On the left-hand side, you'll find several options to tweak your image. You can enable tools like Photoreal, Alchemy, and Prompt Magic. These tools help refine your image generation. If you're unsure about creating your own prompt, Leonardo AI can assist you by suggesting prompts based on your description. This makes it incredibly helpful for beginners or anyone looking to improve their prompt writing skills. Moving on, Leonardo AI allows you to customize your image dimensions. You can choose from standard aspect ratios or go for something specific, like 16:9, giving you control over the final look of your image. There's also an advanced control feature that lets you fine-tune the output. Beyond that, you can add styles and elements, or even include negative prompts to exclude specific features you don't want in your image. Once you've set everything up, it's time to generate the image. Each generation costs 3 credits, and the tool gives you 150 free credits per month. That's enough to create a significant number of images without spending a dime. This credit system is straightforward and generous for users who want to explore the tool's capabilities without committing to a paid plan. Here's what a generated image looks like. For example, this underwater landscape I created is stunning. If you like the output, you can download it right away. Leonardo AI also includes an Alchemy upscaler, which enhances your image to a higher resolution for better clarity and detail. This feature is perfect for users who want professional grade results. Overall, Leonardo AI offers an unparalleled level of versatility and functionality. Whether you're an experienced creator or just starting out, this tool has something for everyone. I'd rate it an 8 for quality, as the images are sharp and visually appealing, and an 8.5 for performance, thanks to its extensive customization options and ease of use. Leonardo AI is undoubtedly a top-tier tool for anyone passionate about AI image generation. Finally, taking the top spot on our list at number 1 is ChatGPT GPT-4o, and trust me, this might blow your mind. OpenAI has recently announced that GPT-4o will be free for ChatGPT 3 users, which is a huge deal. According to OpenAI's public statement, the 4o model is now available to everyone who's been using the previous version. Now let me tell you why this is such a game changer. OpenAI is absolutely leading the charge in this space, and dall E3, along with GPT-4o, showcases just how good they are. I've generated tons of images with it, and while I'll admit that crafting the perfect prompt can sometimes feel a bit tricky, the image quality it delivers is nothing short of mind-blowing. Let me show you an example. Here's my prompt: a hyper-realistic, adorable cat shaped like butter, peacefully resting on a slice of French toast. When I feed this prompt into GPT-4o, the image generation happens almost instantly. It's lightning fast, and the level of detail is just incredible. If you want to be precise about dimensions or specific features, you can customize that too. Take a look at the cat generated from my prompt. It's the perfect example of why this tool is unmatched. The detail and accuracy in the image are amazing. This is one of the reasons I consider GPT-4o to be one of the best tools for prompters. Now let's test another prompt. I'll reuse one I previously tried with NightCafe. Once again, GPT-4o processes it in record time. And if you're someone who loves to personalize your creations, here's another cool feature: you can upload your own images, drawings, or sketches, and ask GPT-4o to transform them into something new. For instance, I tried a dragon design with the same prompt I'd used on NightCafe platforms, and the results here were just outstanding. The ability to take your existing visuals and enhance them to this level is what makes ChatGPT GPT-4o such a standout. And there you have it. These are my favorite alternatives to MidJourney when it comes to AI image generation. I'd love to hear from you. Which one is your favorite? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to AppInsight AI for more videos like this one about the latest and greatest in AI technology.